Have you ever wondered what the future of money looks like? What if I told you this same app where you scroll through meme and crypto tweets could also replace your bank account? Sounds wild, right? Well, that's exactly what Elon Musk is working on with X Payment. Picture this, sending money, buying coffee, and even earning interest all while scrolling. But is this Musk's grand plan to dominate finance, or is just another step on his master plan from decades ago? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Lamia, and today we are diving into Elon Musk's latest game-changing X Payments. If you are spending a lot of time scrolling on crypto Twitter, or should I say X, you will want to stick around. By the end of this video, you will know how X Payment works, which crypto could benefit, and whether this is part of Musk's life ambition to reshape how we think about money. Oh, and I'll even share my personal thoughts on why Musk's might secretly be Satoshi Nakamoto. Let's get into it. When Elon Musk bought Twitter on October 27, 2022 for $44 billion in cash, many assumed it was all about free speech and transforming social media. But Musk's vision was far bigger than that. The deal, first announced in April 2022, was part of his grand plan to disrupt not just social media but also the finance world. Musk didn't just see a platform for memes, he envisioned Twitter, now X, becoming an everything app where payment and financial systems could be completely reimagined. And here's where things get even more intriguing. Now that Musk is best friend with Donald Trump and Trump is the US president, Musk's chances of achieving this vision has skyrocketed. Having such a powerful ally could ease regulatory challenges, expand X Payments' reach, and solidify Musk's influence in reshaping finance. Whether you love or hate the idea, the dynamic between Musk and Trump could make wave in both political and tech. Elon Musk is transforming X into much more than social media platform. With X Payment, Musk envisions a world where you can send money to other X users instantly, like Venmo, shop in stores or online similar to Apple Pay, earn interest on your balances just like a traditional saving account. If this sounds familiar, it's because Musk is inspired by China's WeChat, a super app that combines social media, payments, shopping, and even entertainment into one seamless platform. WeChat is used by over 1 billion people, and Musk clearly wants to replicate its success in the Western world, but with his own spin. Christopher Stanley, X's chief information security officer, says the ultimate goal is to make X your one-stop shop for everything financial. According to him, if you ever need to take money out of our system, then you failed. That's right, Musk wants you to live your entire financial life inside the X economy. Here's where things get interesting. This isn't Musk's first attempt to disrupt the financial industry. Back in 1999, he founded X.com, a digital payment platform that eventually became PayPal. But Musk's vision for an all-in-one payment system was cut short. Then he was ousted from PayPal. That setback taught him the importance of control, and it's clear he's been quietly working towards this moment ever since. Fast forward to today, and X Payment is essentially Musk's second shot at realizing the dream he had 20 years ago. It's bold, ambitious, and very much in line with his habits of reshaping industries. Now let's talk crypto. While X Payment will start with fiat currency, insiders report that ecosystem is being designed with crypto integration in mind. And let's not forget Musk's track record. Tesla holds nearly 10,000 Bitcoin. Dogecoin is accepted for Tesla merchandise, and Musk has openly supported Ethereum in the past. Imagine tipping creators in Bitcoin, paying for groceries with Dogecoin, or even seeing stable coins like USDT integrated into the platform. It's all possible, and Musk's history suggests he might be laying the groundwork for massive crypto play. Here's why this is such a big deal. If X integrates crypto, it could onboard millions of users who've never used crypto before. With features like interest-bearing account and instant payment, X Payment could compete directly with traditional banks. And by adding crypto Musk could blur the lines between centralized platform and decentralized finance. But it's not all smooth sailing. X payment will face regulatory hurdles, especially in the US, where only 25 states licensed have been secured so far. And let's be honest, building an entire financial ecosystem is not small feat, even for someone like Elon Musk. Now, here's my personal take. What if all of this PayPal, Tesla, SpaceX, and now X payment has been Musk's master plan all along? He's always been obsessed with creating efficiency, futuristic systems, and X payment feels like the culmination of decades of work. Some even speculated that Musk could be Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin. I'm not saying he is, but think about it. He has the technical background. He's always been vocal about decentralized finance, and his original vision for X.com sounds eerily similar to Bitcoin's purpose. It's just a thought, but it's fascinating to consider. So what do you think? Could X payment revolutionize the financial world? And do you think Musk might actually be Satoshi Nakamoto? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Smash that like button and let the algorithm know you're in the right kind of content. And subscribe for more deep dive into crypto tech and innovation. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, keep learning, and remember, the future belongs to those who dare to dream big. See you in the next one.